8-6 po ang ating score dito po sa ating second set. Adamson University up against Perpetual. Now let's send it over to Ivy Remulla.
Thank you, Noel. It was a good first set para sa Lady Falcons, and Coach Sherwin told the girls just to maintain consistency at siguraduhin lang nilang ma-minimize nila ang errors nila. All they have to do also is tiyagain lang ang block. Ilan lang naman daw ang players na kailangan bantayan, and they have the advantage at this point winning set number 1, so they must maximize on this. Meanwhile, for the Lady Altas, Coach Jason mentioned na the team should organize themselves inside the court, do things one at a time, and to put their mind into the game. They would need to tighten up their defense as well and have better coverage to counter Adamson's attacks. Noel and Ann?
Thank you very much, Ivy Remulla. At nakita naman natin, dumidikit naman itong Perpetual. Kanina nakita na naman natin yung ating hashtag. Yun ang susundan nyo, yung hashtag ShakeIsVLeague.
Oh, kanina minention din yung in that report, yung pagiging organized. And I think that nailed it, no? Hindi lang organized talaga yung galaw ng Perpetual. Because in terms of skills, no question about that. We've seen how these girls play. And talagang, alam mo yun, very skilled and very talented lahat.
Ito actually yung lineup nila na with the exception of siguro yung si Vima Condada na dati just Jack Jonella. Ito yung malakas nilang lineup na sa sahig ngayon. And nakalusot na naman. So yung depensa talaga very questionable ngayon sa Perpetual. Nakascore na naman si Pineda at umabante na naman ng 3 puntos itong kupunan ng Adamson.
Ang mahirap dyan, it doesn't help as well. Makikita mo yung energy nitong Adamson, mga nakatawa lang sa loob. I mean, nakatawa meaning very light, not as pressured.
Right. Net violation. Joy Cases colliding with the net. Tingin na si Joy at saka si Sandra.
These are the errors that you can't afford to make.
11-7. Benting. Running attack now for Sandra. Basang-basa ni Sheila Pineda. Back set now. Joy Cases. Dug up by Benting. Pao Soriano. Condada. Argarin. De Los Santos. Yes.
Signature move from De Los Santos.
That is the perfect description of that. Signature move talaga. Power tip na minsan umabot na zone 1.
Oo. Yan, tsaka bihira no? Pag normally, I guess by default, pag may nag-drop ball, makikita mo it falls within the attack line. Pero pag itong si De Los Santos, kahit yung dalawang corner ng court, inaabot.
Well, ngayon si Pineda, dalawang pumalo, si Benting at saka si Soriano. Diaz, naabangan doon ni Pineda. And a dump there coming from Sandra De Los Santos. Dumidikit na naman itong Perpetual, down by only 2. Ang hirap no, nasabay kayo pumalo. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Argarin, Pineda, Makatuno, back to Sheila. Sheila, Vima Condada. Here's Joy Cases. Daga by Benting again. Soriano off the block. Diaz. Opia. Lifting daw. Sino si Diaz?
Diaz upon setting the ball. Matagal din kasi sa kamay niya yung bola.
12-9. Makatuno, Sartin, Argarin, Cases. No problem there. Pero si Joy, kailangan uminit na siya ngayon. Kailangan na itulong niya. Sandra serving. Tubino back in front.
Alam mo, we've seen a lot of teams that win from come from behind win. Pero syempre kung ikaw yung team, what you want is say for example nanalo na yung Adamson ng first set, what you want is to win the second set so that you get the momentum on your side.
Well, ito na yung momentum. Napupunta na kay Sandra De Los Santos with that service ace. Isa na lang ang abante rito ng Adamson.
De Los Santos, of course, one of the best servers also.
Right.
That we have here in the ShakeIsVLeague. I'm glad I didn't jinx that.
Pero actually, about 2 years ago, nung una siya pumasok dito, that was one of the weakest facets na kanyang laro. Here's Paat. Na-develop niya talaga.
Na-develop.
Kaya nga nag-most improved of delayed call, but it's a correct one. It's a double touch on Joy Cases. Kaya nung first conference of last year, naging most improved siya bigla.
Kasi, pero it's really an volleyball is a game na hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, marunong lang ako mag-spike. It overall talaga to. You have to know all the skills.
Yan, present lahat yan kay Sandra De Los Santos. Pao Soriano. Sartin. Here is Cases. Nice dig by Benting again. Guevara, naitawid. Combination for Diaz. Benting. Pineda. Here's Argarin now for Joy Cases. Nakaabang si Paat. Tubino. Paat now for Sheila Pineda. Yes! The franchise scores.
Alam mo, that point was, courtesy of Sheila Pineda. Pero I think one point I'd like to make in that, hindi niya rin ma-earn yung point na yun if not for the good defense of Adamson. Benting had a couple of dives. Oo.
And now we have the service. Ito na, nakakalobat talaga ito yung mga nagtitweet na to. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's feeling. 14-11, Adamson. Diaz! Pasok. Very close to being called a net violation as well. So 14-12. Yan, the franchise. So, kita mo naman yan.
Kailangan palagi nakafocus dun sa ano.
Oo, sa ulo niya talaga.
One time, makikita mo pagdating ko dito,
Yan na rin suot mo.
nakaganyan ako. Kasi na-meet ko muna si Bang bago ko pumunta sa panel.
Tama. Oo. At si Bang, of course, referring to Bangnita. That's her Twitter name as well.
Yes.
Nice block there by Tubino on the attack from Bang. Argarin. Diaz.
Oh,
Konti na lang, ano? Di pa umabot.
Diaz had the right thing in mind and she probably saw na walang tao dun sa corner na yun but it was too long.
So 15-12. Although dumidikit ang perpetual, meron pa rin barrier na itinayo itong Adamson. The franchise. What a serve!
Nice.
Kita mo lumiko yung bola.
Yun ang maganda pag floater.
Oo. 16-12, Adamson.